Imaging how an affiliate marketing adventure can change your life. Affiliate marketing is a way to do a revenue-sharing venture between websites and/or other merchants. The website owner puts advertisements on their site to promote sales for the other merchants and can send interested customers to that website. This video can help explain all of the ways that affiliate marketing can work for you. If you are operating a web business that is providing local services, then you need to start out seeking local sponsorship and traffic rather than wider exposure. Check out the local Chamber of Commerce and local business directories in order to find great listing opportunities. Nothing is better for your search engine rankings than for people to search for your site by name. When putting affiliate links on your blog, be transparent about the point of the links. If you hide the affiliate link, you make people suspicious about your motives. If instead you tell your readers that your link is an affiliate link, they feel positive about your honesty and may be more likely to buy from your links. Pay attention to the cookie duration of the parent site of your affiliate marketing program. A site visitor's cookies tell the parent company that you sent them that traffic and allows you to receive that commission. If the cookies expire after a very short period of time, the parent company is likely trying to cheat you out of valuable commission dollars. If one affiliate program is not going well for you, then maybe you should try finding another affiliate program that fits your needs better. Not all affiliate programs work the right way. You should check out your favorite vendors to see if they have an affiliate program that you can try out. Never be afraid to outsource tasks in affiliate marketing in order to increase productivity. A lot of affiliates, especially startups, only trust themselves to do the work. But you may be missing out on a golden opportunity. Of course, you always need to thoroughly vet anyone to whom work will be outsourced, but if you can get it done for cheap, go for it. As previously stated, affiliate marketing can open doors between merchants and can help them to refer potential customers. By using the techniques in the video, you can increase traffic to your website and also make money for sending customers the other merchant's way. It is a win-win situation for both merchants. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.